Hey everybody, it's Scott again. I'm doing an unboxing video. My good friend Tommy from Tommy's Guitar Shop in Everett, Washington, you can look that up on the net, has sent me another box of pedals to repair for him. So I'm going to open it up and see what we have. What do we have? Let's see. These two work but have minor problems. C notes. Replaced LED and wrath switch. Works except for wrath. Okay. This looks like some kind of red witch pedal. Let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, it's in a fancy bag. Denim even. A denim bag. That's fancy. Looks to be a Red Witch Fuzz God. Awaken. Something tells me the notes on it are a little off. I don't see a wrath switch. I see a wrath pot. Perhaps that's the problem. Alright, well that's the first one. We'll have a look at that. What else we got here? A full-tone catalyst. Everything from clean boost to fuzz. Lights up, no audio. Ooh, it's very orange. Looks to be metallic racing orange. There we go. A full-tone catalyst. Full tone. DC power options. You may run this pedal on any amount between 9 and 18 volts DC, as long as the center pin is negative. You'll be amazed at the sonic difference. Alright. Lights up, no audio. Ooh, this looks interesting. What do we got here? Paper. We have a vintage 70s DOD 670 flanger, or flanger as I usually call them. It's a flanger. We used to call them that at work, like a chorus and a flanger. Oh, that's lovely. Apparently somebody has removed the switch, and I don't know if it works or not. Oh boy, SAD 512D. Well, let's hope that that still works. We also have an NE571N, which is a compander chip. Let's hope that works too. CD 4001. That's probably the clock. I don't have one of those, but I can get them. LM324. I got that on hand. That's a quad op amp. And looks like an RC4558P. I have those on hand too. It appears to need knobs and screws. I don't think I have any screws. Well, I'll have to get some. Those are cheap. Stainless steel. I think those are 5/32 or something. Same thing the MXR pedals used to use. Ooh, this looks fun. Now what do we got? We have a vintage Mutron octave divider. Look at that baby. Looks like he did not manage to find the knobs for it. I did find him some knobs, but they were kind of expensive. Seems like there's something taped to the bottom here. And it looks like this baby is in need of some TLC. Oh boy. Well, we'll see if we can do something with it. If I have any issues, maybe I can call up Mike Beagle and see if he's got any parts. If he's so inclined. What else we got here? Oh, and it has the part that I can't get. That's great. That means I can rebuild it. If I can get it open. Well, we have a vintage Electro-Harmonix Muff Fuzz. I have the switch, I have the transistor, I have the diodes, and it has the pot in it. That's the important part because I don't have that. Excellent. Well, we'll be doing a video on this. I have one in near mint condition from 1970. I can go grab that real quick. I will do that. Here's mine, which I paid an absurd amount of money for, but it's in excellent condition, and I wanted it because I can clone it, which I'm going to be doing. I will have to make a schematic for it, and we will discuss that when I get to that point. And it looks like we got one more in here. Another Muff Fuzz. This is an op-amp version. It has the switch. It's a little heavier. Pull the screws out of it, see what we got going on here. The switch is a good thing. Since it's original, I'll probably pop it out of here and stick it in the other one. So I don't have to use a new one. Since it's worth more money. I can rebuild this too, provided I find a pot. Yeah. Has the original stack pole switch in it, which are difficult to find. So yeah, there we go. We have 4 or 5, 6 pedals here that we can, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got 6 pedals here. One of which I have to rebuild from scratch. And the rest I need to repair. Well, as always, thank you, friends. And I will do a little bit more scripting on my next videos so that they're more informative and interesting to watch. And I will cut out all the hubbub. And I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.